In an exclusive interview with Xinhua in Beijing, Ereina Bokova, the former Director General of Unesco, said that the China proposed Belt and Road Initiative is much more than economic infrastructure.
The idea behind the Belt and Road is of course about commerce, it's about infrastructure, it's about economic development, but it is also very closely linked with the exchanges in education, in science, globally in culture, among people. And now if I look at the all this experience, these 10 years, of course there is so much economic activity, so much agreements between countries. There are fast trains and bridges and airports being built, and ports, and all this so important driver of economic development. But not least, and I really want to put emphasis here, it is indeed about people's-to-people's contacts. It is about mutual understanding. It is about exchanges among universities, among scientists, intellectuals, young people. And I think this is a very important inherent part of this Belt and Road Initiative. So whoever says it's just an economic infrastructure, I don't agree. I think it's much more than that. And this is where I believe the impact, long-term impact of it in terms of us living together will stay.